friends, how's it going? Welcome to a new vlog. It is Saturday morning. I just got done filming this little look with my Halloween palette for my Instagram and TikTok. I just love it. This almost like reverse smoky half cut crease with the shimmer all over it. So cute. I love it. I am going to be getting ready for work soon. I mean, I'm mostly ready. I just still have pajama pants on and I haven't eaten yet, but I'm going to be going to work soon. I'm going to tidy up my mess that I made filming and then go downstairs and eat some breakfast. And I think we're going to watch another episode of Love is Blind before I go as well. The new season just started recently and I'm already hooked. I don't know why. It's just such a fantastically horrible show and I can't stop watching it. So I'm going to watch a new episode of that and then head off to work. And I mentioned in the last vlog that I was gonna make time today to do my hair, whether it be actually lightening my roots again so I can have my whole like full chunk again like I had back in May and it's grown out since then, or just refreshing my ends since they faded quite a bit. I think I'm gonna do the whole shebang. I have the time, I might as well do it. I don't always have the opportunity to like do my hair, you know? I'm just so busy and I don't wanna spend the extra time doing my own, but I feel like today's the day. I think today's the day. I'm really excited. I think I know what I'm gonna do as far as colors go, but I'll decide when I'm in the moment. Sometimes I change my mind once I'm like actually doing it. But I'm excited. And then we're gonna see Halloween Kills tonight. I think it's at 7:30 and I'm super excited. I've heard it's actually pretty good. Like the second one in this newest round of trilogy of the Halloween movies. That one wasn't my favorite, but I heard this one is really good. So I'm excited to see it. And even if it's bad, I'm excited just to see Jamie Lee Curtis do her thing, you know? But I'm super excited. I'll take you along to my salon studio with me. I'm not gonna like do a tutorial or anything because I do not advocate for lightening your own hair at home. I highly recommend seeing a professional. So I'm not gonna be doing a tutorial or anything, but I'll just take you along for bits and pieces during the process. And then of course I'll show you when I'm all done. And I'm excited. I'm gonna bring my Pumpkin Queen book with me so I can get some more reading done out of it because I have not read the last 2 days and I want to actually commit to reading this darn book. It's not a big book, it's not a hard book. I need to just get into reading again. So I'm gonna bring that with me so I can read while my hair is processing. That's my goal. So that is the plan for today. I am so super excited just to have some change. I think it'll make me feel good just to spruce up my hair again. It's been a little while, so yeah, I'm gonna clean up, go downstairs and eat, and catch you later. It is hair time. I'm actually very excited. Like part of me wants to just go home and play Sims, but I'm gonna be very happy with myself that I did this as long as I do it. I am ready for action now. That is certainly a color. I'm already so excited just to have this back though. I'm going to throw some conditioner in the rest of my hair, throw on my colors that I want to do, and then head home and rinse it out at home. You know you're a hairstylist when you drive home with color in your hair. I just did a couple different purples and then a couple pops of like a magenta-y pink. I just wanted a different vibe this time. And I'm excited. I don't even know which colors I use. Don't even ask me. Like I said, this wasn't even meant to be a tutorial. I do not like to or intend to make hair videos because that is my career. But yeah, that's what I did. I used Joico as well. I've been making a switch to Joico the last probably half a year or so actually. I'm very much enjoying their products. So I'm gonna head home, let this cook for a little bit, and then I'm gonna rinse it out, fix my makeup because it's like coming off my edges from where I washed my scalp, and yeah, I'll style it. I'll probably let it air dry for a little bit before I style it because I don't really feel like blow drying my hair. And then we will go to the movie tonight. I am so super excited and I'm really excited to see how my hair turned out. Look how cute! I ended up blow drying it because I got too excited. It's so pretty, these different pinks and purples. I love, and I just love having my full two-toned front situation back. Oh, it's just magical, and when the light hits it, it looks different. Oh, it's just so fun, and I'm obsessed, and I love it. So that is my new hair debut. Do you like it? Thank you for the compliment. That was nice. I'm gonna start tidying a little bit and then we're gonna have dinner soon and then head to the movie. Hi, you look very cute today. Your big yellow eyes. We're back from seeing Halloween Ends. I might have called it Halloween Kills earlier. Oh, Edelin's already screaming. I might have called it Halloween Kills earlier. I keep getting it mixed up in my head. Halloween Kills was the second one of this recent trilogy. Halloween Ends is the current one. It was pretty good. I liked it more than the last one, but it wasn't like amazing. But it wasn't bad.
It was a good ending. It was a little confusing throughout. It's one of those where like it gets to the end and then you're like, okay, now I get what's going on. I'm just like, what are they doing with this character? What is this plot line? Oh, okay, that makes sense. Like,
ending was good though. I feel like it's pretty much what everyone wanted out of it. And
yeah,
I don't really have any major complaints. It was less gruesome than the second one.
Yes, way less.
But there was like
deaths.
one death that I was like, oh my God, can we stop with this? But not too bad, not too gruesome.
I like the post you saw that was like, Jamie Lee Curtis got one more Halloween before I handle Michael myself.
It's true.
It was so true.
It was good. I feel like if you're into the Halloween movies and you're interested in seeing it, you should check it out.
Yes.
You need to check the tracking on the baby's Meowbox.
Oh yeah, now that we're home and
now that I have Wi-Fi. Load. I hate DHL. It's delivered! Well, it's 10 p.m. It's my bedtime. So babies, we'll do the Meowbox tomorrow. How's that sound? All right, we're gonna get ready for bed because I am so super sleepy. We need to watch that last episode of Love is Blind also.
Yeah.
Because I'm invested. I can't decide who the villain of the season is yet though. I think it's too early to tell.
We don't know yet. They've been all right so far.
Babies! You're already here. Babies, Meowbox. Kanade, I know you're on the couch. You want to come? Leela, you want to come do the Meowbox this time? Are you guys excited? Hopefully it's a spooky Halloween box. Let's see what you got. It is a Halloween box.
The Meowster Mash.
That's cute. I spelled all your names right.
We've got a...
Well, Absol, you didn't get an uppercase
Witch's Broom.
Cute. It kind of looks like a paintbrush. Look, guys. Witch broom.
This is Monster Munchies freeze-dried beef liver.
That's a really cute bag, but that sounds disgusting.
They like it. They like these fruits.
Edel. Oh my gosh. You're going nuts over this box. Oh, Felix just took a toy. He tried to take this ball. Do you want this?
Hold on, guys. Hold on.
Gourd or Evil pumpkin cat toy. I love how creepy this looks. Zane, you see how creepy it is?
Oh yeah.
It's so weird.
I love it.
Felix, you seemed interested in that. Edelin. Oh, she's just playing with the beef.
Yeah, I guess she doesn't want to eat it. Oh, now she's eating it. It's the monster in your closet.
Oh, that's funny. It's so soft. Absol will love that one.
This is an itsy bitsy spider.
That's cute. Let me see. Get that spider. What do you think, Kanade? Spider? Oh, she's scared of spiders. Oh, Absol's playing with the Gourd or Evil pumpkin toy. He loves it. You want the spider? Eat a win. You want the monster? What do you guys think? Was that a good box, Edelin? I think that was a really fun box. What do you think, buddy? You found another treat? Oh, did you find a spider, Abby? Nope, Felix is eating a snack.
Snatched it.
He likes his spider, though. He's got it in his hands. You want the pumpkin? Nope. Absol's rolling on the spider. Oh, he loves this little pumpkin ball, Zane. He just, oh, he's kangaroo kicking it.
Aw. Good for him.
Oh, he loves every toy. He's just a spooky boy. Nada, you seem disappointed. Look at her. She didn't like the tree, she doesn't like the toys. What about this ball? Kanade? Are you not interested? You grumpy on this Sunday morning? Edelin, you fell in the box. What do you have to say for yourself? Now you're licking the box? Feel like she's crazy. Edelin might chase after this if I throw it. Edelin! Yep, there she goes. Good job. That was a fun box. We're gonna go see Bros in like an hour. No, it's in like 2 hours. because it's like the last day that it's even in theaters. So we're gonna go see that because it looks silly. There's only like one showtime today, so we're gonna do that before it's not in theaters at all anymore. And I think we're gonna get acai bowls beforehand, but we don't need to leave for like 45 minutes or so. So I guess we're just gonna hang out and might play a little Sims, and then we're gonna go get our bowls and then head to the movie, and then we need to grocery shop a little bit. And then tonight I want to attempt to make these really cute jack-o'-lantern stuffed peppers I saw on Pinterest. I don't think they're gonna come out cute, but they might taste good. So that's what I'm gonna try to do tonight. What did you think of the movie?
I thought it was good.
It was cute.
I enjoyed it.
I thought it was a good balance of funny, cute, and then deep. I thought it was pretty cute. I don't know if I need to rewatch it or anything. Oh, we're about to go. It's gonna drop you.
Hold the camera.
But it was pretty cute. I'm glad we saw it, especially since it's leaving theaters soon. I don't feel like it was in theaters very long, but maybe we just didn't have a chance to see it sooner.
Yeah, I don't think it did very well opening weekend, and that always matters for these, for movies.
Yeah.
It's just because, I mean, general populace not gonna want to see.
It made me want to visit New York again, though.
Me too.
It looks so bad, especially during
the
the holiday scenes and stuff.
But it was cute. It was a fun movie.
Yeah, I thought it was good. It's nice that we're seeing more just like explicitly like gay content just in general. Yeah. Because it's been so hidden for so long. Yeah. So it's nice that it's just like becoming more normal. Because it doesn't need to be like some weird thing.
No, it doesn't.
But we're gonna get groceries now. We don't need that much stuff, but we need some stuff. I don't think I'm gonna do a haul or anything today because I frankly don't feel like it. Oh goodness, you're falling. But I will show you our attempt at the jack-o'-lantern stuffed peppers later. They might be the ugliest things you've ever seen, but they'll taste good.
They'll be cute enough.
But we're pulling into Aldi now, so I'll catch you later. All right, I started making them. They kind of don't look like jack-o'-lanterns. They kind of look more like cat jack-o'-lanterns, but they're so cute. Like, do you see his face? Are you kidding me? I just took my orange bell peppers, I like gutted them, and then I just used a little knife to do it, and then I boiled them. That's why they're all soft and wobbly right now, but I figured I would just show you after they're boiled. Woo! They're like hilarious. It was actually really easy, and like obviously it's not perfect. So I feel like this could be really fun if maybe you're a Halloween lover like me, or maybe if you have children. I think this could be fun for anybody. So I'm just gonna put them in their little baking pan here. We cooked up some rice, and I'm gonna throw some rice, black beans, and probably just some vegan cheese on top. I think I'm gonna keep it simple. I might top it with sour cream when they're done. But yeah, super simple. So let's fill her up with rice. We also got a couple cute things at Aldi that aren't food related that I'll show you once I put these guys in the oven. I can't believe October's already almost over. Zane's parents just swung by and we're talking about like Thanksgiving with them. Which I feel like we should all just take a note from The Sims and just start calling it Harvest Fest because that's like so much cuter. All right, I need black beans.
Here come the cats.
Yeah, all the cats are gonna think this is for them.
But it's not.
It's beans, guys. Calm down. All right, I got my black beans. Just gonna tuck some of these guys in here. I like stuffed peppers a lot. I never thought I would, but then the first time I tried it, I was like, wait, this actually isn't so bad. I don't make them very often though. I don't know why. It just like, it's pretty simple, but it also kind of feels like a lot of work, so I like don't do it very often. But they're yummy, and I like it because you can kind of do them a lot of different ways. Like you can do it kind of Tex-Mexy like I sort of am tonight, not really. You can do it more almost Italian style. All right, I got my vegan cheese here, my Violife Mexican shreds. Gonna sprinkle this on top. Felix is running around crazy. Felix, you don't even want vegan cheese, I can tell you that right now. He's just pacing back and forth like a nutcase. Felix, Edalyn, look at this man. He's just like pacing. Guys, it's cheese. It's not even real cheese. All right, so this is them. I'm gonna pop these in the oven for like 20 minutes and then take them out. So I found this casserole dish at Aldi. They had it in white also, and they also had big ones, but I liked the small one a little bit better. I thought it was just a cute little dish for the fall season. And then Zane found this Pokemon advent calendar. He already busted through it all, obviously. But it came with little toys, and I'll show you those. So it came with these little cardboard cutouts. Obviously, these are just like
decoration.
Like, yeah, decorative toys. They're not really that important. But look how cute these are. Squirtle has his little trick-or-treat bucket. And then Pikachu has his little hat. Eevee with her little hat. Mimikyu obviously is always in costume. I guess Litten doesn't really have a costume, just looks like a spooky cat. Zubat also same. And then Cubone.
Which you might not think is
So
spooky,
cute.
but when you learn
Oh my gosh, his backstory is so sad.
It's very spooky.
And who else is spooky? Felix. He's very spooky. He's big orange pumpkin. I'm hungry. I am so ready to eat. I want it to get cold again. It's been cold all this week and now it's suddenly just not cold and I want to open the door again. But unfortunately it is not cold anymore. I think it's gonna cool down in the next like couple hours though. And then I can let the cats outside. I want to go on a run this evening as well, but we'll see how I'm feeling. Yeah, it's 78 right now, but it'll drop to 73 within the hour, so that's good news. And then I can open the door again. It'll be a beautiful 57 tomorrow morning, but then back to the 80s by the afternoon. Like seriously, what is this range? Why does it have to start so crispy and lovely and then get into the 80s? Like, excuse me? Why does it have to be hot on Halloween? And also, why does it have to be hot on November 1st? Because that is when I transform this house into Christmas mode. I need it to not be hot. Look how cute. It's so stupid, but I love it. Hi friends, good morning. Edalyn, you wanna come up here and say hi? Hi, Edalyn. Oh, you gonna hang out in my lap? No, you wanna get down? You're just gonna sit next to me? Okay. Hi friends, how's it going? It is Monday morning. It feels so lovely right now, but it's gonna get so hot later, so I'm just enjoying it while I can. I mean, clearly it's not cold, I'm wearing a tank top, but it like feels nice. I don't want it to get hot. I don't want it to get hot. I filmed this morning. I filmed this little look with my Blend Bunny palette for Instagram and TikTok, and I also filmed a little lip swatch video with the new lip kits for Instagram and TikTok, so that'll be up by the time this vlog goes up, I think. That are coming soon. I will check my schedule for you. Yes, the Blend Bunny eyeshadow look video will be up already by the time this vlog goes up, and the lip swatch video, it might already be on TikTok by the time the vlog goes up, but it'll be on Instagram the same day the vlog goes up, so. Yeah, I love, this is the shade Haunting, and I love it so much. And I love my hair. I love seeing just a change going on. I think it's cute. But yeah, I was so productive this morning, and I still have to go to work in like an hour and a half, but I've been so productive. I filmed those 2 Instagram videos. I filmed my October favorites video, and I filmed the overhead decluttering of my complexion products and my bronzers. So I got those 2 knocked out of the way. I already filmed the intro for the complexion products 2 days ago, and I'll film my bronzer intro like in a couple days. And I'm so excited to be starting this series, and I'm so glad I got those done because I thought I was gonna have to wait until tomorrow to do that. I didn't know if I'd have enough time this morning, but I got it done. Your girl is killing it this morning, and I am feeling so productive and good. I'm going to just get a little bit of editing done before I have lunch and then head off to work. And it's gonna be a good day. I am seeing one of my favorite guests of all time today. She's just so sweet, and she does fun colors in her hair too, so I always look forward to doing that. And then I have kickboxing tonight, and I think my friend Sam is joining us. She was gonna join us last week, but she ended up having to do teacher stuff because she's a teacher. But I think she's joining us tonight, and I'm really excited to see her. But yeah, that's kind of the plan today. I went on a nice long run last night and listened to the Midnight's album again from Taylor Swift. I can't stop listening to it. I don't even know what my favorite song is. They're all good. I can't even pick a favorite. So let me know what your favorites are because I haven't decided yet. But I'm going to do some editing and I'm going to close out this vlog because I think I've said enough in this vlog, and I still have another 2 vlogs left in this month because I've been doing a vlog every other day, and I'm trying to like stay a couple days ahead so that I can actually, I don't know, have content, because I don't want there to be a day where it's like just a random Thursday when all I'm doing is working, but I have to have a vlog the next day. So I think I'm gonna end this one here so I can start the next one either tonight or tomorrow. So thanks for hanging out. I hope you enjoyed this one. I feel like I don't even remember what happened in this vlog. I know we did the Meowbox. That's always fun. I always love seeing their cute little faces. If you made it to the end of this vlog, why don't you leave me some pink and purple emojis since the hair. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel out a lot. And if you're not already, you can follow me on my other socials. You can join the battybean fam. I am battybean on everything: Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. And if you want, you can subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. I've been posting every single day in October. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.